It's a 2018 Chevrolet Colorado. As refined as it is rugged, this truck is ready for the job site, campsite, or city lights. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Apple CarPlay, front heated bucket seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. New Car Test Drive finds the Chevy Colorado is designed for the owner who wants the utility of a pickup at hand but doesn't regularly tow or haul heavy loads. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.